you miss Rachel? You miss Rachel? Mindy. Mindy. Do you miss Rachel? Do you miss her? Are you sad? Are you sad Rachel's gone? Aww. She'll be back soon. Yeah, she will be. She'll be back. I know, isn't it exciting? Do you want to tell her that you love her? Tell Rachel you love her. Aww. Rachel loves you too, and she'll see you soon. Mindy, say bye. Say bye.